Are you losing productivity because of your increased downtime? We get it. Managing downtime in Notebook or Excel can be a hassle. You don't get live running status. Team members note down incorrect details. And they even miss reporting downtime. This decreases productivity and you lose money. Leave your Excel sheet and install DMS 400 from YAFE. The IoT device is connected to the internet. It captures the running status of the machine automatically and sends you a downtime alert. With few simple clicks you can generate automated reports and analytics. This enables you to take strategic decisions for improvement. The installation is simple and suitable to any machine. The live status can be viewed in all mobile and laptop devices. Install YAFE's DMS 400 and increase your productivity.